showing that once your poo's inside the bag, I just want to show you how waterproof the bag is. Just shaking it, how strong the bag is. Close up, the inner liner has dissolved and then can just be poured down the toilet. Come on, Percy. So I just want to show you, the bag comes in two sections actually. The outer section, I'll just take it apart to show you, and an inner section. The inner bag you pick up the mess with, it's just like an ordinary poo bag, but the actual piece inside you can take home and flush down the toilet if there's no poo bag bins available, and just simply tie in a knot as normal and we're away. And this bag biodegrades up to 90 days. This bag's back into the earth. You put the poo itself and the inner liner into the toilet and it flushes away. So we think these are great, and this is the way forward for us. We're going to do our bit to save the planet, and Percy's going to do his poos to save the planet. They're available on Amazon. I'll put the link down below, the price is down below. So I'd give them a go if I was you, see how you get on.